Hi, I'm Jesse Adler. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a what's inside, so taking apart this Cuisinart coffee maker. And as you know, the first thing I always do, I plug it into the wall right there. And it looks like we can see the letters. I don't know exactly how these work, but looks like it's showing the time. So if I press on, it makes a light. That's good, I think. If you look in here, you can kind of see whatever that is. Oh, that's where the beans get grinded, so that'll have a motor in there. That'll be nice. So if I press that, what does that do? Those buttons don't seem to do anything. Here's the coffee pot. Looks like that's on top of there. Don't really know how this works, but it seems like it's getting power. What does that do? Ooh, what's this? This is something cool. Oh, it looks like the beans go in there and get filtered, so that can get cleaned. That's cool. There's a spring in there that'll keep. But yeah, pretty cool. Let's get it open. Saw in that time lapse what was happening, but basically there's 4 screws down here on the bottom, right there, there, and there, and they're torque screws or star screws like those, but they have a little hole in the center, and that makes it a safety screw, which is really hard to get out. I don't have the right screwdriver for it, so I was trying to drill it out, and I just can't get them out, so I'm having a really hard time getting inside. So I might start up again in a few minutes. But yeah, this is hard. I just got the bottom off, really having to use those screwdrivers there to pry it off and actually cut where the screws were being held on with some metal snips. But I finally got it off, and there's some really cool stuff in here. And I'm not exactly sure how this works, so if you know, let me know down in the comments below. But it looks like that's where the water went, maybe up above that. Here, maybe some sort of heating element for the water. Not exactly sure, but I'm going to continue opening it up. Looks like there's some more screws to do. Let's get started. Took quite a long time. Here you can see I finally got the top off after a lot of cutting of plastic. I even got out some lock cutters. Here you can see is the heating element, and I accidentally pulled these ends off, but I think they went to here and maybe here. But yeah, I'll have to go further into it. I don't see any more screws though, so you'll probably just see some video clips, time lapses of me messing around trying to open it up. But yeah, here we go. So far this is the only thing that I haven't been able to really get fully apart on this What's Inside channel thing. But it looks like I've gotten as far as I can. I've taken off both side things, so it's just this part. And yeah, you can see over here the inner workings, that goes into there and it's all closed up. here's the heating element. There's a circuit board over there, some wires. That one goes to the wall plug over there. But yeah, I think that's really as far as I can go. Yeah. Hacking away at inside of here just with the screwdriver, and I found the little AC motor inside of there, but I cannot get it out. Like, no matter what I do, I cannot get that out. So I think that's really all I can do. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, you'll probably like another one of my other videos, so please click on them right now and either go like up there, down there, or over there. See you in another one of those. Bye.